The sooner that you get started with the process, the better, because sometimes if you wait too long, the bone can recede in that area. That can be more costly in the future if you wanted to add bone, if it's even possible to add bone. So we always recommend patients to start the implant process so that way you have the implant placed in there and the bone won't recede, but at the same time, you're able to get your smile back and your function back also. If you want to have a temporary smile while you're going through the process, we can make a temporary solution for that. It's a process that's straightforward, simple, but at the same time, technique sensitive. The overall process between where we place the implant to where you get a crown is about 3 to 4 months. The surgeons that we have and that we work with are trained in this, and that we are very confident that they'll be able to deliver a result that we'll both be happy about. We've had thousands of patients who've done dental implants with our office, and every single one of them have been happy that they did it. If you're curious about dental implants, go to our website, read about it, or give us a call. We can get you in for a consult that you can talk about with us what your goals are, what your aspirations for the oral health are, and we'll be more than happy to do that.